Texas breaks ground on the world's first 3D printed hotel. Are you ready to check in? I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Follow me at cyberguy.com where my newsletter is free. Now, something mind-blowing here is happening in the heart of Texas. Marfa, that quirky little town known for its art scene, is about to become home to the world's first 3D printed hotel called El Cosmico. It's a popular campground now expanding with 43 new hotel rooms and 18 homes, all built by a massive 3D printer. This isn't your average boxy hotel either. We're talking curvy walls, domes, wild shapes that would cost a fortune with traditional building methods. The owner, Liz Lambert, is teaming up with a 3D printing company called Icon and some top-notch architects to make this dream a reality. They're using a special cement mix called lavacrete. It's pumped out by a giant robot arm, and it's like a huge high-tech Play-Doh machine for building. The first rooms are already under construction, and the whole shebang should be ready by 2026. Imagine telling your friends you stayed in a 3D printed hotel room in the Lone Star State. Now that's a vacation story. More crazy cool tech like this at cyberguy.com, where my newsletter is free by clicking the red button.